New Mexico, we are so privileged to have the ability to step into our backyards and look up at the night sky and see exactly what has inspired countless generations to study the cosmos and get where we are today, able to peer into the far reaches of the universe and study objects that are light years away, and able to see and understand extraordinary events that help us understand the universe and our place in it. New Mexico has been home to advanced astronomers dating back millennia, from the ancestors of our indigenous communities who were guided by the stars in creating great cities and trade networks, to the generations of physicists and astronomers who have worked to understand our place in the universe, including those who have worked on the Very Large Array in central New Mexico, the Sunspot Observatory in southern New Mexico, and laboratories and universities across the state. So as we look forward to the next generation and the next decade of studying space and what it can teach us about our place here on Earth, the next generation Very Large Array in particular will help to fuel discovery, to help to create jobs, and to inspire countless New Mexicans to pursue a career in science. So I'm particularly interested in the next generation VLA and the plans to upgrade and merge this facility with antennas across the country in order to increase our capacities in radio astronomy for decades to come. Like the current Very Large Array, the next generation VLA will contribute to new discoveries well into this century. And if we follow the guidance that's laid out in the decadal survey, we'll also be able to ensure that space research and discovery truly reflects and benefits all of our communities across race, gender, and community lines. While the next generation Very Large Array will directly create 200 manufacturing jobs, many of which will go to New Mexicans, the project also provides aspiring scientists with the opportunity to train and conduct research with some of the most sophisticated equipment in the country and in the world. And students visiting the VLA, such as myself as a youngster, will also be inspired to pursue careers in STEM and help to fuel the next generation of discovery. So I look forward to supporting this committee's work to advancing priorities from the decadal survey and to empower the scientific community to continue to expand our understanding of the universe. And as New Mexico's space research and commercial industry continues to grow, I'm excited about the groundbreaking work that will come out of our communities and how it can contribute to our understanding of the cosmos. So with that in mind, I just want to ask a quick question to Dr. Kennicott. I'm very interested in, as I noted, in the survey's recommendations for the next generation VLA. And I'm wondering if you can talk to us a little bit about the significance of the expansions of this network and also some of the scientific discoveries that may be advanced by this facility.
Yeah, this telescope will be transformational for radio astronomy. It will have anywhere from 10 to 100 times the scientific power sensitivity of the current VLA, depending on, of course, how you measure things. The kinds of science it will enable is, we've talked about imaging planets around other stars in visible light and in the infrared. In the radio wavelengths, you can image planetary systems, planets in the process of formation. And actually, in the proposal, it's envisaged by taking radio images over time, you will actually be able to watch the development, motions, planet formation literally in action, just as one example. In the case of the ecosystem science, we talked about part of the feedback that shapes galaxies is radio jets emitted from these supermassive black holes, and NGVLA will map those with unprecedented sensitivity and resolution. I'll stop there because I know your time's limited, but happy to follow up.
Yeah, I could very briefly add that I'm really excited about it for the new windows, because one of the most astounding things about this gravitational wave merger of neutron stars was that there was radio waves the VLA was able to monitor over time, which showed us that there are jets of particles going nearly the speed of light emitted in this merger. And that's to see these at the distances of the upgraded gravitational wave observatories is going to take the NGVLA.
Wow, it's amazing. And I'm so excited about the work that will be spawned by this survey and all of the incredible work that all of you do. And for any of you that'd like to come down and see the VLA, it's really quite an amazing thing to behold. It stretches across the mesas of New Mexico and is helping, as was noted, to fuel our scientific discovery of the outer universe. So come and visit us. Thank you, everyone.